Hey everyone! In this quick Deepseek tutorial, we're going to show you how you can easily upload photos in the Deepseek application. Before we start with the tutorial, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more useful tech guides like this one. And without wasting any time, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open the Deepseek app on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in, make sure you're logged into your Deepseek account. The interface should look something like this, which is quite similar to ChatGPT or Google Gemini. To upload a photo, simply tap on the little plus icon located on the right side of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see 3 extra options appear right under your search bar. Now, you have 2 options for uploading a photo. The first option lets you take a photo directly using your camera and upload it instantly. But if you want to upload an existing photo from your phone's gallery, choose the second option called Image OCR or something similar. Once you select this option, your phone's gallery will open. Now, simply choose the photo you want to upload, tap on Add, and your photo will start uploading to Deepseek. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a photo in Deepseek. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.